Hello. So now that we know a little bit about the difference between weather and climate and global warming and climate change, right now we're going to be discussing exactly what this greenhouse effect is. The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat or solar radiation. The planet needs a natural greenhouse effect because without a natural greenhouse effect, we would be essentially living on an icy wasteland. So let's look into this a little further and see exactly what this means. The greenhouse effect works the same way as a greenhouse on a farm. As you can see, a greenhouse is a building with transparent walls and a transparent roof, usually glass. In essence, the greenhouse traps the sun's heat, allowing the plants inside to thrive. The greenhouse effect works pretty much the same way on Earth. Think of the planet as one big greenhouse. The sun's solar radiation, or heat, enters the atmosphere and becomes trapped, keeping the Earth at a very comfortable temperature for us. Some radiation also escapes back into space. And greenhouse gases work the same way as the transparent walls and roof of a greenhouse. Although invisible, they trap some of the sun's solar radiation inside the atmosphere of the Earth. There are two types of greenhouse effects: natural and human-enhanced. For millions of years, there has been a natural balance in our atmosphere with greenhouse gases. Most greenhouse gases are produced naturally and have helped maintain the planet at a comfortable temperature. So, how do humans affect the greenhouse effect? Human activities are changing the planet's natural greenhouse effect. There are many greenhouse gases, but some of the largest ones include carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide comes mostly from the burning of coal, oil, and gas, as well as deforestation. Methane is produced by the agriculture and energy sectors, which include emissions from coal, oil, natural gas, and biofuels. Nitrous oxide is mainly produced by agriculture, particularly fertilized soil and animal waste. Humans have already produced unnaturally large amounts of these greenhouse gases for decades. These abnormal amounts of greenhouse gases cause the planet's atmosphere to trap more heat or solar radiation than normal. As you can see, it's as if the roof of the greenhouse, or the amount of greenhouse gases, becomes thicker, not allowing some of the reflected radiation to escape into space. This causes the planet's temperature to rise, which in turn causes global warming. In addition, every living thing in the world is made up of carbon. Plants, trees, your dogs, your pets, and even you and me, we're all made up of carbon. So what this means is that when we burn fields or large areas of the forest, the carbon that's inside that area is being released into the atmosphere, which then increases the level of greenhouse gases and increases the heat that's being trapped onto this planet. What's also very important about plants and trees is that they absorb the carbon dioxide. So they actually help reduce the greenhouse gases that are in the atmosphere because they absorb carbon dioxide and they release oxygen, a gas that we need to survive because it's what we breathe. So we really need to start taking care of our forests, because another way of looking at our forests is calling them the lungs of our planet.